In this demo, we are going to showcase how the FortiClient and the FortiClient EMS can work closely with the FortiSandbox, which is Fortinet's advanced threat detection product, to bring behavioral detection of ransomware and automated remediation to the endpoint. This is also a great showcase for the Fortinet Security Fabric. Starting with the FortiClient Enterprise Management Server, we have the FortiDemo domain with a subgroup of all the employees within the organization. One of them happens to be Tony Soprano. Let's go ahead and look at Tony Soprano's profile. Here, we can see the various details about the user. All the users within the FortiDemo employee group are tied to the FortiDemo employee profile. This is where the various security settings of the clients are defined. Here, we have specified that the sandbox integration is enabled. This integrates the FortiClient and the EMS closely with the FortiSandbox over the security fabric for advanced threat detection and remediation. Now that the profile is saved, let's go to Tony's workstation and log on. We can see that Tony's computer is protected by the FortiClient, and the details of its connectivity to the FortiGate and the EMS can be seen here. We can go over to the Sandbox tab and see that the workstation is protected by the FortiSandbox as well, providing advanced threat protection, including behavioral analysis. Now, getting to the meat of the matter, let's open a browser and download a known ransomware. As we download the ransomware, FortiClient is continually monitoring all file activity and immediately quarantines the file and sends it to the FortiSandbox for analysis, blocking file access until the results are obtained. And as you can see, the file status is now quarantined. This is due to the FortiSandbox determining the behavior of the file as a ransomware. We can go over to the FortiClient console and look at the details for this file. Here, we can see that the virus was categorized as a zero-day malware and quarantined. We can choose to submit the file to FortiGuard for further inspection. To observe the behavioral analysis in action, let's switch over to the FortiSandbox. Along with the FortiClient and the FortiClient EMS, the FortiSandbox is an integral part of Fortinet's advanced threat protection solution, providing end-to-end protection with the Fortinet Security Fabric. From the dashboard, we can go over to the on-demand scan and manually submit a ransomware to observe the behavioral analysis in action. Once we submit the file, the FortiSandbox will run an analysis and rate the file accordingly. We will go ahead and submit the same file that Tony Soprano downloaded earlier. As the file is being analyzed by the FortiSandbox, we will fast forward the demo a little bit until completion. Once the analysis is completed, we can see that the same file has come back as a high security risk file, and we can look at the full report of the analysis. In this report, we can see the various suspicious activities that were undertaken by this file in great detail on a timeline, and we can dive down to see some of the activities such as registry modification, file creation and deletion, and that even a virus was detected. Based on this, the file was rated by the FortiSandbox as a high-risk file. In addition to the report, we can also look at the live recording of the activities of the malware for a visual peek at what the malware did. As we can see, Tony was automatically protected from a dangerous ransomware with a tight integration between the FortiClient, EMS, and the FortiSandbox over the security fabric.